Okay, what's up guys? Today we're making slime. I heard you can make uh slime with baking soda and glue. Now I don't really know the measurements, but I do know that you need a good amount of baking soda, which I already have in here. See? And I'm just gonna put the glue in. So kinda excited, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Maybe pretty good. I don't know.
Hold on.
I already put in the glue.
I'm gonna find a real recipe for you. Four to 6 ounces of white glue, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1.5 tablespoons of multi-purpose contact lens solution. You need boric acid.
I'm sure it's fine.
No, it's not. You need that. You don't have boric acid. Not interested in AI.
It just keeps coming, guys.
You need boric acid. You're not going to be able to do it.
That's why I wanted to get the actual glue for this. Like the slime glue. That's what I was saying, we should just go to Safeway. But no, we just had to go to Dollar Tree. And the right kind, and now my how do you make borax? Guys, second bottle.
Hold on.
Hold on, we gotta wait for a minute. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Okay, guys, so we're making fluffy slime instead. If you guys are fine with that, so I'm gonna pour this in carefully. Look at that. Okay, now it's time for the water. Alright guys, I got the stuff. It's 237 millimeters, 1 cup of baking soda. So we're just gonna, I think that ruined it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use, and then now we're gonna mix it up and see if it actually works. And this recipe is a success. So, oh yeah, by the way, I put water and soap in this before this. So, if you're wondering about that, yeah. I think it's already starting to turn into fluffy slime. Maybe like a little more glue and that should be it.
You might want one more tablespoon of water.
Oh, Jay, how did you? You should have told me. Thank you. Alright, I'm adding one more tablespoon of water. So, this is what it looks like right now. I don't know if it's going to be a great success or it's going to be a great failure. It's going to be one. But we're going to add the green mix, the food dye. Mix that stuff in. There we go. I'll at the end of this video, I'll show you who is giving me these ingredients. This is turning. Yeah. If you guys like my videos, if you could like and subscribe or whatever, that'd be really nice because that tells me that you guys like my YouTube channel and you guys want me to create more content. So please do that if you want more content from Crimpling Rabies. We're adding more, like half a cup of baking soda again, but I'm putting it slowly in. It looks like actual slime. I'm kind of surprised it's working. But yeah, if you please help me, it'll help me a lot. So. Have you seen Unspeakable's YouTube channel? It's cool, but like, has he ever? I wonder if he ever made a YouTube channel that I don't know about. Oh! Wait, you want me to say like funny things every like 5 seconds? Alright. I got rabies. Oh. Oh, I'm going to pause you guys for a second. I need to add something. Okay, guys, we added more baking soda, so we're just going to keep mixing it up. I think it might do well. In the comments, say yes or no if you think it's going to go well. I think yes, because it's actually doing pretty good. I could hold it and it doesn't stick to me. Well, probably because there's a lot of baking soda, but that's besides the point. I also added more soap, so yeah, it should be. Oh wow, that's actually pretty good. I'm gonna pause it real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. We're gonna keep mixing it up. Look how fluffy this is. It's so fluffy. I think we got a success. I hope this is a failure. It was a lot of resources to get this, so yeah. Just wash my hands. Do you think this looks like real slime? I think it does. I think we're doing a pretty good job. It smells like baking soda. Ow. I have phantom pain, by the way. Kind of sucks. I think it was a success. This is slime. It's definitely a sort of slime. But we gotta keep mixing it up, because I don't think it's ready. So, yeah. This slime right now, you think it looks good? Say it in the comments. But I think this well. Yeah. I think it's good. Maybe we can use some yeah, this slime looks pretty good. I hope it's gonna do well. I hope it actually makes it. But look, it got like 10 times bigger. Look at this. It's absurd how big it is. Yeah, this is. I think this is slime. Yeah. Okay, maybe this is fun. This is slime. Yeah, this is so cool. I'm happy. In my car right after a beer, had high bun, he's shaped like a deer. DUI, hey, hello now you die. I'm going 100 miles. It's just my mom here in the background. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, peace out.